Welcome back once again to our channel Study Adda. A very good morning to all of you. So once again today I have brought top 15 current affairs questions for you today. So let's start with the very first question of the day. Who is the head of the SARC and Associates, who has been recently appointed as the auditor of Prime Minister Cares Fund? So the right answer for this is option C, Sunil Kumar Gupta, who is also the auditor of the PM's National Relief Fund appointed in 2019. So right answer is option C, Sunil Kumar Gupta. Next, Raja Parva festival is celebrated in which state? So the right answer is option B, Odisha. Option B, Odisha. These 3 days of the festival are namely Raja Sankranti, Pahili Raja and Bhudaha or Bashi Raja. Next, where in Maharashtra Khadi and Village Industries Commission has launched project to produce Nira and palm gur? So the right answer for this is option B, Palghar. Maharashtra is home to more than 50 lakh palm trees. Next, who has won the World Star Sharjah Online International Chess Championship? So this has been won by option D, Shakhriyar Mamediaro. Shakhriyar Mamediaro, who is from Azerbaijan. Next, who will head the Advisory Committee on Corporate Insolvency Resolution and Liquidation reconstituted by IBBI? So this committee will be chaired by option C, Uday Kotak. Option C, Uday Kotak. Mithil Unikrishnan has been designated as the secretary to the advisory committee. Next, where has been a new fish species named Schizothorax citrusirummensis discovered? So this new fish species has been discovered in Arunachal Pradesh. The fish was found at the confluence of river Sitru and Sirum. Next, which state topped in providing maximum employments under Manrega? So the right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Manrega stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Next, which state government has launched a Karma Bhumi, a job portal to help IT professionals? So this has been launched by option B, West Bengal government. Option B, West Bengal government. There are around 700 IT and ITES companies at Salt Lake Sector 5 and Rajarhat, where at present around 2.5 lakh people work. Next, recently journalist Dinu Randive passed away. He was also a freedom fighter. Option B, freedom fighter. Recently, Mahavir Chakra awardee Lieutenant General Raj Mohan Vohra also passed away. Next, where is the largest COVID-19 facility center to be set up? This is very important question, and this is to be set up in Delhi. Option D, Delhi. The Radha Swami Spiritual Center, the new COVID-19 center, will be set up in Delhi, which is as large as equal to 22 football fields. So you can imagine how big it is. As large as 22 football fields. Next, when will annular solar eclipse in India to take place in the month of June? So this annular solar eclipse will take place on 21st June. On 21st June, and this day will be also celebrated as International Yoga Day, and probably also the International Father's Day as well. The eclipse is to be the deepest as the moon is to cover 98.8% of the sun. The eclipse is to be visible mainly in the states of Rajasthan, Haryana and Uttarakhand. To the rest of the country, the eclipse will be seen partially. Next, Government of India to establish Khelo India State Centers of Excellence in how many states? So this will be established in total 8 states. The centers are to be developed into world-class sporting facilities, and these 8 centers will be established in Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Manipur, Nagaland, Odisha, Telangana as well as Mizoram. Next, how much revenue did Shramik Trains generated till now? So the right answer is option B, 360 crore. Option B, 360 crore. India to also supply pneumonia vaccine to low income countries. So I have also added this point in this. India to supply pneumonia vaccine to low income countries. Next, India is to send its tri-services contingent for the first time to the Victory Day parade of which country? This is very important question from the exam point of view. And the right answer for this is Victory Day parade of Russia. Option B, Russia. And now tri-services includes our Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force, which are going to take part in Russia's Victory Day parade in Moscow, Russia. And the last question of the day, India received the first lot of 100 high technology ventilators from which country? And this has been received from option B, America. Option B, America. So that's all from today. Stay safe, take care.